Hi guys! Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making this tasty enchilada meatball casserole. These meatballs are made with ground beef and cornbread. They're spiced up with chili powder, cumin, and cilantro, and then baked in a flavorful enchilada sauce in your favorite salsa with layers of cheddar and Cojita cheese. Serve with rice and tortillas and all your favorite toppings. This is ready in just about 30 minutes and it makes enough for a hungry crowd. Let me show you how easy this is to make. You'll need a pound of ground beef. We're going to use 2 cups of baked cornbread, enchilada sauce, a cup of salsa, smoked paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, ground black pepper, and kosher salt. And for cheese, I've got some cheddar, Cojita, and queso fresco, and about a tablespoon of cilantro. For the cornbread, you can use corn muffins from the store, or we're using one of the Jiffy cornbread mixes. You can make this the day before and save half for this recipe. Here's how I make it. Combine 1 box of cornbread mix with 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/3 cup of milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Stir this all up and bake it in an 8x8 pan for about 16 minutes. Add 2 cups of cooled and baked cornbread to a large mixing bowl. For the spices, add a 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally dice 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro and add that to the bowl. Measure out and add a 1/2 cup of enchilada sauce and the pound of ground beef. And then use your hands to combine everything until it's thoroughly mixed together. Begin preheating the oven to 400 degrees. And then shape the mixture into balls about the size of golf balls, and that'll be about 1.5 inches in size. This should make about 25 to 30 meatballs. Hey, if you love Tex-Mex, I'll link up our recipe for beef enchiladas in a creamy white sauce. They are so easy to make, they're super tasty and ready in less than an hour. Okay, now that the meatballs are all rolled, I'm going to heat a large skillet over medium heat and fry these for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. And if this is your first time at our channel, we'll show you how to make delicious dishes you can proudly share with everyone you love. And I'd love to have you join us every week when we share new recipes. Go ahead and subscribe to find out when we post the next one. While the meatballs finish cooking, I'm going to get together the enchilada sauce and shred the cheese. Combine 1.5 cups of enchilada sauce and about a cup of your favorite salsa. This corn salsa from Trader Joe's is spicy, it's got some sweetness, and it adds some heat to the enchilada sauce. Pour the sauce over the meatballs. And turn the meatballs to cover them with the sauce. Heat this over medium heat, bringing the sauce to a simmer. Then top the meatballs with the cheddar cheese and bake in the 400-degree oven for about 15 minutes. And this will finish cooking the meatballs all the way through and melt the cheese. I love how quickly this enchilada casserole comes together. The flavors are amazing, and top it with your favorite toppings. I'm using avocado, cilantro, and Cojita cheese. These are also a super popular appetizer at our house, and you can serve it with rice and tortillas and your favorite veggies to make this a meal. If you like this recipe, do me a favor and press the like button, and we've got so many delicious recipes that are perfect for sharing. Here's a playlist I put together to get you started. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.